If you want to change your male voice to sound more female in Audacity, this quick guide will show you the basic first step you need to get started. Keep in mind, this is a simple approach, and depending on the voice, you may also need extra adjustments like a treble boost or a compressor to make the result sound more natural. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy audio editing tutorials. First, open Audacity and import the vocal recording you want to edit. Once your audio is loaded, click on the vocal track so it becomes selected. This is important because Audacity will only apply the effect to the track you highlight. Now go to the top menu and click Effect, then move down to Pitch and Tempo and choose Change Pitch. This is the tool you will use to shift the voice into a higher range without changing the speed too much. When the Change Pitch window opens, look for the semitones box, sometimes called half steps. In this box, type 5.00 or 6.00 as a positive number. A shift of 5 to 6 semitones usually moves the voice closer to a typical female vocal range, which can make the recording sound noticeably higher and lighter. Before applying the effect, make sure the option for Use High Quality Stretching is checked. This helps Audacity process the pitch shift with better sound quality, so the voice does not become too harsh or distorted. Once everything is set, click Apply. Audacity will process the audio and change the pitch of the selected vocal track. After that, play it back and listen carefully to the result. If the voice still sounds too deep or unnatural, remember that this is only the basic starting point. You can improve the sound further by using additional effects such as EQ, treble boost, compression, or even a little reverb, depending on the voice and the style you want. The key is to experiment. Some voices will sound great after just a pitch change, while others will need a few more tweaks to get the female tone you want. Try small adjustments, preview the audio, and refine it until it sounds right. And that's the basic way to change a male voice to female in Audacity. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.